So you might think, who cares if someone sees a phone number on an RO? Well, let's talk a little bit about social engineering. This is where a thief gets a little bit of info, like a customer's name and the fact that their mid-sized truck's in for a transmission swap. The thief calls the customer, poses as our service advisor, and says, "Hey, we found another issue. I need your credit card number to order the part." Because they know the details of the service from the stolen RO, the customer trusts them. Boom. Identity stolen, and our reputation is trashed.
Is your employee training scattered across spreadsheets and emails? There's a better way to grow your team. Atlantic Training provides world-class HR and soft skills courses, all hosted inside our Wave management platform. From onboarding automation to tracking leadership development, Wave tracks it all. And you get the software for free when you choose your training plan. Click the link below to build your custom plan now.
There are other flavors of fraud too. Synthetic identity theft's one. This is where thieves take a real social security number, a lot of times from a child, believe it or not, and mix it with a fake name to create a kind of Frankenstein identity. Then there's also true name fraud. That's when you use a stolen driver's license or ID to open lines of credit. Happens all the time. And also there's document fraud. That's when you falsify pay stubs or IDs to get a deal through. These aren't just stories. Incidents like this, they do occur in real dealerships and repair shops, especially where staff get careless with paperwork. We're the gatekeepers. If we leave the gate open, the wolves, they're coming in.